Hi, this is Angie Cody with eXp Realty, and today I want to talk to you about what are the pros and cons of getting a pre-listing home inspection done. The main thing is you're going to find out what the condition of your home is. You know, a lot of times we've been in our home maybe 5 years, 20 years, and we're not really sure what's going on maybe in the crawl space, plumbing, electrical, things like that. So that's a huge advantage of getting a home inspection because you're going to see what's going on in your house. Another pro is it's going to help you with pricing the property. Do you maybe have like a large project that might need to be done, like a large repair, not so much a project, but a large repair? Or maybe your house is like in excellent shape. So a lot of times that's going to help us determine the price of your home. Another pro that would be is you can go ahead and make those repairs. You already know what's going on in your house, so you can go ahead and make those repairs. And that's going to put a potential buyer's mind at ease. And the last pro would be not only is it going to make a potential buyer's mind at ease, it's also going to make your mind at ease because you already know what was going on with your home and you've made those repairs. So it alleviates a lot of stress with the sellers and the buyers. Okay, now let's talk about a few cons of getting a pre-listing home inspection done with your house. One, there is the cost involved. And just depending on the size of your house, it could be anywhere between $400 to $600. Like I said, depending on the size of your house. Another con would be you're going to have to disclose any problems that you uncover with the home inspection, along with any of those repairs that might need to be disclosed. So keep that in mind that you might have to disclose some information that you found out. And the last con is there's going to be 2 home inspections done on your home, probably so. Yours along with the buyers. And I've always told my clients in the past, you can have 2 home inspectors, you can have 2 appraisers, and you're going to get 2 different reports. So keep that in mind. My name is Angie Cody with eXp Realty, and thank you so much for watching this video. And in the future, if you have any real estate related topics you'd like me to address, feel free to contact me. My information is listed below.